Welcome to the myGC Dashboard tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential features that make managing your healthcare easier, faster, and more convenient. The myGC Dashboard is your central hub for a seamless healthcare journey. From booking appointments to checking in and accessing vital medical information, everything you need is right here. No more waiting on phone calls or drowning in paperwork, just simple, streamlined healthcare at your fingertips. With a clean, user-friendly interface, you'll stay informed, organized, and in control every step of the way. Let's take a look at what you'll find on the myGC dashboard. In this video, we'll be starting on the dashboard itself. The burger icon on the left will open the side panel menu where all the various system options are available. For more information on the navigation panel, please refer to the How to Use the myGC Navigation Panel user manual linked in this video's description. The search field allows you to find records quickly with real-time suggestions as you type. Start typing your query and the search screen will appear automatically with suggestions. For more info, please see the search user manual linked in this video's description. The notification icon alerts you of all your updates and messages. Click on the notification icon. The notification screen will open showing all your latest alerts and updates. Please refer to the notification screen, navigation and use user manual linked in this video's description for more information on the screen. Take note that all the unread messages will be written in bold, while the read messages will not be in bold print. Simply click on this button to read or interact with your messages. The account icon opens a drop-down menu where you can update user settings, view account details, or log out. The section below the navigation bar gives you a clear overview of your current healthcare status. First up, we have outstanding payments. If there is a bill due, it'll show here with the option to pay now. Below that is the upcoming booking section. Any scheduled appointments will appear here. Next, we have incomplete forms. Forms that need your attention, such as a consent form or demographic request, will be displayed here. Click Complete to open and finish them quickly. And lastly, to the right, you'll find the Quick Actions menu. This is your shortcut hub for commonly used features. Here you can quickly book an appointment, see upcoming bookings, view documents, and outstanding payments. This area ensures that everything you need is just one click away, and that's a quick tour of the myGC dashboard. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.